Do you already have the basic furniture, but don't know how to make your space feel complete and welcoming? The good news is thoughtful design can completely transform how your home looks and feels. In this transformation, you'll see how the living, kitchen, and bedroom spaces were turned into a calm and inviting modern Japandi home using layered lighting, natural materials, and practical design ideas you can try in your own home. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. This living area has your flooring, sofa, coffee table, TV console, and curtains. But with just a single hanging bulb, it feels bare and disconnected. The goal is to make it feel more connected, natural, and calm by keeping your existing furniture while adding soft textures and layered lighting. Let's start with the base finishes. Your light wood flooring stays because it brings warmth and a natural feel to the space. The ceiling and walls get a soft, neutral finish, creating a fresh, airy backdrop that complements the natural, calming tones of modern Japandi. You can replace the old bulb with a round rattan accent LED ceiling light to add a subtle sculptural feature. For the seating setup, your existing modular sofa anchors the space. You can add textured throw pillows to tie in with the rest of the room. Your coffee table stays because its size, shape, and natural finish fit perfectly. Style it simply with books, small ceramics, and dried botanicals. Add a large woven rug under the sofa and coffee table to define the living zone and introduce soft textures. Moving to the entertainment area, your purchased console becomes a floating unit. Center the TV above it. This establishes a strong focal point for viewing and keeps the wall organized. Then you can add shelving with books, plants, and ceramics to keep the area light and natural. LED strip lights under the shelves add an ambient glow, and a rattan accent lamp on the console complements the ceiling light. Behind the sofa, add a console cabinet to provide extra storage and fill the empty wall, creating both function and visual interest. Above it, you can hang an artwork to create a focal point and add personality. Layer a few decor pieces and table lamp to add texture and soft light. These elements make the area feel more personal and inviting. For more natural feel, you can add an indoor plant near the doorway to the bedroom. This wall now feels purposeful, while keeping the space airy. It transforms an unused wall into a functional and decorative part of the living area. Finally, complete the windows with layered curtains in soft tones. They filter daylight and create a soft visual flow. With these layered textures, lighting, and intentional decor, your living area now transforms into a grounded, warm, and connected modern Japandi space with an estimated total cost of $2,025 to $3,105. This kitchen has cabinets that leave unused space above, your appliances in place, and countertop items scattered around, so it feels a bit cluttered. The goal is to improve the cabinets and lighting, and adding a cozy nook for a brighter, more organized, and connected Japandi kitchen. Your matte finish cabinets now extend to the ceiling, so you'll maximize storage and achieve a seamless, clean look that complements the modern Japandi aesthetic. Your existing cooktop with built-in oven and sink with faucet stay in place, so functionality is preserved. You can install LED strip lighting under the upper cabinets to brighten the countertop and make prep work easier. Clear away clutter and keep a minimal arrangement so your workspace feels simple, natural, and organized. Next, mount floating shelves on the side wall to create vertical storage without taking up countertop space. Style them with select decor pieces to complement the handcrafted Japandi feel, adding visual interest without creating clutter. To create a cozy spot for casual meals or coffee, add a nook bar in wood finish with white panels underneath. It doubles as a practical prep area or seating zone for morning coffee. Then, you can install strip lights to add a subtle glow and warmth. This ensures the nook feels inviting even in the evenings. Pair it with 3 stools so you have comfortable seating for casual meals, coffee, or conversation. Hang 2 pendant lights above to make a welcoming focal point. Add small decorative accents on top to complete the setup and unify the overall aesthetic. And that's your new kitchen. Brighter, organized, and perfectly connected with an estimated total cost of $2,200 to $2,800. This bedroom has your bed frame with mattress, nightstand, and wardrobe, but it lacks layered lighting and defined zones, so it feels unfinished. The goal is to transform it into a connected, natural, and calming modern Japandi bedroom, using your existing furniture while adding textures, lighting, and decor. The existing bed frame with mattress anchors the room with its natural wood finish. You can update the bedding with soft, neutral sheets and a mix of neutral pillows to add depth and comfort. Your nightstand stays, and you can style it with a simple decor, a small vase with greenery, and a book. Place a soft woven rug under the bed to visually define your sleep zone and add subtle texture. Near the window, your open shelving gives storage and display space for personal items and light decor. You can hang layered curtains to softly filter daylight while keeping privacy. For lighting, your ceiling light matches the living area's round rattan accent LED, and you can add a floor lamp for reading, creating a layered, warm, and calming effect. Moving to the TV area, your TV console floats on the wall, with the TV centered above. Keep styling simple. Books, small ceramics, and an indoor plant soften the corner. Next to the entertainment area, add a woven storage bench for seating and storage. Above, a wall-mounted coat rack keeps essentials organized. This corner balances the room visually while matching the modern Japandi vibe. You can place a vanity desk near the bed with a round mirror above to reflect light and expand space. Keep decor minimal to stay organized. Your existing wardrobe stays in place, its natural wood finish blending perfectly with the style. You can style open shelves with handbags to personalize without clutter. With layered textures, lighting, and curated decor, your bedroom will feel intentional, functional, and harmonious with an estimated total cost of $2,250 to $3,300. Now your home is fully transformed. Every area from the living space and kitchen nook to the bedroom now feels intentional, harmonious, and thoughtfully designed. With layered textures, soft lighting, and carefully curated pieces, your modern Japandi home is not only stylish but also practical for everyday living. Instead of guessing what to buy or where to place it, you now have a space that works perfectly for you and feels truly complete. Which area stood out to you the most? The living area, the kitchen, or the bedroom? Comment below and let us know. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.